Hey, it's Sean here with Sterling Fleet. Just wanted to give you a walk around video of the SB02 Deluxe, which is our newest upgrade in addition to our product offering. Super excited about it. This is the SB02 capsule in concept, but has some upgrade options added to it. So those in simplicity is the wall on a kit, which includes the ceiling liner, the left wall and the right wall, cut, CNC cut in all aspects, but around the windows, nicely fitting, and it offers three benefits which you might be interested in. The first one would be overall cleanliness and professional image. The second would be additional climate control, so you're adding a little bit more R value to the capsule beyond the spray foam that you're seeing in the wall there. And then over and above that, you've got just a more professional image. So it looks a lot nicer in here than seeing the exposed foam. So if you feel that's important to you, this might be the option for you. Okay? What you don't see behind this wall in a kit is actually very important, and some people like to point out, and that's the full reinforcing panel. Mount equipment similar to what you see in the back right here. So you got magnetic tool strips, maybe whiteboard, maybe some ribbon charts, TV screens, battery chargers, etc. So again, this is the SB02 Deluxe model and has the upgrade of the lining kit and reinforcing behind. Great product. We're seeing that moving now out the door, and if this is of interest to you, please give us a call. And if you'd like to see a demo, we're happy to arrange that as well. Thanks very much. Take care.